Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how I did my goddess box braids. I've been wanting to do this style for a very long time and I like it. I did the color blue and I got this, I think it's deep curly hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it.
I'ma pull up on your bitch like when I hit the slab, call her Uber, maybe cab.
Sleeping back to back, we knew this thing wasn't built to last. Yeah, good on paper, picture perfect. Chase the high too far too fast. Picket white fence, but we painted black. Ooh, and I wish you would hurt me harder than I hurt you. And I wish you wouldn't wait for me, but you always do. I've been hoping somebody loves you in the ways I couldn't. Somebody taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone you don't have to change. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go. Someone will love you, let me go. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go.
You know, a lot of people say love is heaven. Love is also hell. Have you ever had the days where you don't wanna get up? Your head is spinning, stomach hurts, and you about to throw up. You keep thinking about the shit that you could have changed. You laying in your bed and in your head you going insane. You try to make it through the day and try to act okay, but deep down you know you hurting cause you miss your babe. You had a lot to say, you never said it that day. You stood silent as you watch your love just walk away. Why do that? Love is hell. Love is real. Can't you tell?
Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old Ben Franklin. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game, but instead I'm in a trap though. Pot so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl, call the hoes, get in the rolls. Top flow lifestyle, Huncho and Post, Malone. I got a play on my phone. You know what I'm on. Huncho who did it is gone.
My mama call, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't try.
Fading,